the screen and everything. Oh my god. So yeah, the idea is to like get maybe a new patient and everything. I want to start with the tutorial. So you'll probably see a little bit of how I do things, how ink works, which is the dialogue thing that I'm working with. So yeah. So right now I'm using a lot of scriptable objects to create the content. And let me just start with this intro here. Oi Lily! Oh, there's a lot of people here. Salve pro Oasis! Hello everyone. So yeah, so the game right now works like this. I have to choose like a starting location, everything. A starting inventory. I will say that the starting location now is the intro that I just created. Let me just see if it crashes the game. Starts with a dead patient. Okay. Um. So okay, so first thing we need the thing what is happening is like we need like a starting node to start the conversation. That's the intro. We just called it like intro tutorial. So Oasis, the game is about like you're a doctor, like a medic. Let me just lower the music volume just a bit. I think it's a little loud. And and the idea is like you're this like medieval, not even medieval, something like in 100 1800s. And the idea is you're like this doctor in this weird like Lovecraftian world and everything. So yeah, okay. So I'm using ink, which is this programming language here for dialogue. So this is all my dialogue. I can include new files and everything, so I will include right now. Oh, I already have like an intro. I'm using this as my game intro right now. Okay, let me call this complete tutorial. I'll just make this here. So the idea is like for this intro is to have her starting as in this weird place. Like the game starts with her on the on a maybe like on a surgery table or something, like with her tools ready. She doesn't know the patient. She's everything kind of foggy. She just wants to. She knows she needs to like cure that person. And then she performs the surgery and everything. And if things go wrong, everything starts again. So it's kind of like this foggy, weird place. She's actually in a dream. So after you successfully, yeah, she's dreaming. She starts on a dream. So until you kind of get the controls right, you understand how things work. Oh yeah, there'll be like huge spoilers for all this, but it's right on the start. This is just a tutorial for now. So yeah. I'll just put some placeholder text like I'm not sure what's going on. this patient? I think supposed to fix him. Yeah, I want her to usually say the word fix instead of healing because she is very weird in this way. Like she doesn't see people as actual people and everything. But yeah, I'm eating pão de queijo, cheese bread. So let me just check how the patients work. I forgot how I'm coding this. Um, 10 patient default. What is this? Here. 10 patient. Who after? Oh, I have a special thing for sending patients. Oh no, it's just this. Okay, so sorry. Tutorial and this goes to end. Tutorial reaction. I'll have to do this later. Yeah. Desses tutoriais ajudam demais. Obrigado. Um abraço pessoal aí da USP Game Dev. So okay, so I'll call this tutorial and I'll create a new patient, which is just one. So yeah, the patients I have like patient generators for my game. So I can create injuries, apply to places and everything. And probably the first thing I want to start teaching is like how to sew people back together. Oh, thanks, Swazoid. I'm glad you like the tutorials. So I want to start with like just a single, maybe a single small wound. No fractures for now. Maybe 2 wounds to start. And the places can be in the legs, in the head, in the arms, and maybe in the torso. So yeah, when I play now, it should work. Let's see what's going to go wrong. Yeah, didn't find the intro tutorial. Oh, I'm calling game intro, not intro tutorial anymore. Oh, nice, Alan. You got a new tablet? Andrade Geek asked me what I think about pick weight for beginners. I think it's a good place to start. Has a lot of limitations, so it helps you to not wander too much on things and keep everything simple. So I think it's good. Okay, so yeah, start like this. It has doesn't know what's going on, and then this screen will appear, and there's a person, and they're all fucked up. So I think I'll start with without any items, only with the thread and needle, so you know you need to use thread and needle on wound. Okay, so let me see. Also, I need the inventories. Starting inventory. I will create a new one here. And I'll call it Dream Inventory 1. And it will only have a bunch of thread and needles. Maybe the hand should be there too. Because you cannot do anything with the hand right now, but it's also a good thing that you know the... Whoa, Alan, 80% off. It's really good. Congratulations having to get that. So yeah, like the hand doesn't do anything here. It would only do if there was something that you could pick it up. So it's also maybe a good thing for the person to understand that some things require, yeah, like other things. So I know I need to make I need to set the inventory. So maybe I can create a new function for this. I'll call it set inventory, and the name of inventory will be probably on tutorial slash what's the name? Dream inventory 1. Alright, so I need to make this work now because this is not hooked up. And you'll probably see my horrible code now and how I make this in an extremely unsafe way. But it's working so far, so I think it's alright. I have a huge if statement with all my commands, and that's how I do it. It basically checks for if the string starts with this, then splits everything. Yeah. Hey Gigi. So yeah, then set inventory. This one doesn't have an underline. I think I would do without the underline so everything is consistent. You can do even set inv, so it's more. So I'm creating a new function for this. I don't need this. Okay. Yeah, it's not dangerous code. It's just unsafe in the sense that I'm checking strings for things, so it's kind of unsafe. So the way I work with those, I have a bunch of libraries, static libraries. And I have and they have they can check my resources and for scriptable objects. And I'll show you in a second how this looks. So I have the inventory library. Find Now you want an inventory data. And it's this one. Inventory name. And now my inventory is equal new inventory. Because I'll just when it's set an inventory, I want to make like everything to reset, because this is mostly for big story moments, so I don't want to keep anything from the player inventory. I want to see how I start the game and how I initialize all the inventories. This is weird, I'm not sure how I do this. Oh yeah, I have this that I call here. Okay. Oh, I have a world initiation thing. Who calls this? Okay, that's fine. Then I can do. Yeah, my code is very messy, and I mostly find things with search. What was the name of the thing that I was doing? Here's that inventory, and I can do instance dot in. Yeah, this should be internal. There's a question here of the Oh, thank you, Junior. I'm glad. Right, I think I got this mostly working. So now I need to hook up my library thing. Actually, who did this to me for me it was Chevy Ray. It's a thing that it's called an asset lookup, so I can do like an inventory library. And I can look for any type. In my case, it's like an inventory data. See, already hooks up and finds everything. And I'll look for it inside assets, resources, world, and that's it. So I need to put it in. I think I'll just create a new folder just for the inventories. So I think it's more organized. So we have time for a question. I'm making my first game this year. My main advice every time someone asks about starting out is keep it as simple as you can. Like really simple. And focus on that. Focus on making a thing that's the smallest game you can ever think of. And if you can finish that, you will know how to do your next one better. So start with like the smallest project you can possibly imagine, and then from there you can grow. Alright, so I have the library set up. I need to put it here. So I have all these libraries here. And they are actually just these little like scriptable objects that kind of look in the folder and save all the reference. This way, when I save my game, when I export it, it will still keep the references, hopefully. So let's see if the references stay there. No, it broke. What happened? Hmm. Let me see where this is breaking. On set inventory, dialog manager. Lascanes, I think it does count as small. If it's complete, if you can call it like a finished game, I think it does count, because it kind of gives you the knowledge you need to know what size of a game you can do on your own. Yeah, Pico 8, it's a really good way to work. I think it's like to learn like to work with your limitations and everything, because the game is so like the engine is so restrictive that you have to adapt to it. Okay, so let me see. Let me count that down, that error now. So it's getting probably a no reference, right? Yes, it's a no reference. So it's probably breaking here. Okay, just write a better error message there. Yeah, doesn't cannot find the thing with the path that I want. So what's going on? Inventory library, Dream Inventory 1, it should be there. What is the name? Dream Inventory 1. It's not, maybe it's not inventory data? It is inventory data. Huh. Maybe there's a space in the name. Let me also do this, I always forget to. So yeah, having like good error messages is extremely important for me, because I'm always like getting these. So let me see. Yeah, that's exactly that. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong library. Oh yeah, I was in the wrong library. I should have an error check for that too, but oh, thank you, Julian. Alright, now I got a new error. No, the same error. Cannot find inventory of the path during inventory 1. inventory library, it's here. Inventory library. Inventory library. Huh. I have absolutely no idea. What's going on? Let's see. I hate to do this, but I'll have to attach this to Unity and debug this manually. Alright. What world inventories? No, because... Oh, inventories? Yeah, that's true. But why is this showing up here then? Oh, it wasn't updating the... Oh, thank you. Silver... Realton? Yeah, it wasn't updating here for some reason. Alright. I think this should work then. Nice catch. Alright, now it works. So I have a bunch of thread and needles here. The hand's not here though, for some reason, but... And everything is not where it's supposed to be, I guess? Well, let me see. So, dream inventory. Hand should be on... Oh, the amount is 0. And this should be 0, 1. Also, I think I want to do... I think the check if the amount is 0 and warns me. Because I always do this. Validate input. Oh, there's a better one. There's like a show error. Warning. Oh, the validate input. And I can do amount bigger than 0. Default message is empty item stack. Can I do a thing that I allow the message? I think that's what. Okay. I think it won't actually block my message because okay. It just shows me there. All right. So. Now the hand should appear, and there's a bunch of thread and needle that the person will probably guess you need to use. And then the person will do this, and I need to draw attention to this when it's off. Yeah, it's working. Okay. So now I need to make this like blink or have something. So let me jump into that. The right panel. Yeah, I'm trying to start like with very simple like start with the tutorial or like and even like the small like UI things so I can kinda feel what direction the game is going. That's why I'm mostly like all over the place, like jumping from one thing to the next. So I need to make this draw attention. Okay, I need to draw attention to this. I can do like a ring. I can make it like jump up and down. Okay, timer. Okay, I think I'll make like when this screen appears, something will call and yeah, okay. We'll create a boolean here. Not started. And no, actually, I think I'll do it different. I'll just call it bounce. And no, I don't even have this. Do I have access to the rectangle? What is this dial thing? Is it the whole thing? No, it's just this. Yeah, I'll just grab the whole transform. So, all right. And we can do hack dot do bunch position. I'm using a really good like asset store thing called do tween, and it's very useful. Hey Pedro, how's it going? So I always forget. This is smaller, yeah. So it's negative 4, 0, and the duration should be I don't know like 0.5, and I'll leave it with the default parameters for now. And alright, so this will call the bounce, and I'll do like a set delay maybe for 1 second, and on complete. Oh my god. We'll do. We'll call this again. This sounds like a really bad idea, but I think we'll do it for now. I'm not sure how I'll stop this from ever happening, but yeah, I can do like a tween, tween, and then I can save this tween here. And when you press the button, which is this, I can do like if the bounce tween is different than null, I can kill it. Kill. And now I can set it to null. Alright. Let me see. So I need something to start the bounce now. When I think I have the patient manager should be the thing that does that. Patient manager, when you start the surgery, there's this. This is much better. So I have end surgery, initialize surgery. Total time. I think this is not it. Huh. I should have like a start surgery function somewhere. No. Let's see how the dialog manager calls things. Here. Get a create character. I don't want the set patient, I want the actual startup patient. Yeah, I want this function. Oh, here. Start patient. So... Oh, I just initialize it? Okay, this is a weird way to do it. I'll call it start surgery. I don't know why, but what you writing codes makes me start thinking how to be a programmer too. Yeah, programming is really, it's a really like useful tool, I think. Okay, so the timer UI, do I have access to it? Oh, I have. Bounce. Okay, so let's see if this works. Why there's a var just named P? I have no idea. It's here? Oops, I have no idea. I mean, I create so many temporary variables. And let me see if this works. Oh, it's kind of working. It kind of broke everything else, but it's still working. No, you're not rude. You do it at all, that's fine. I think I need a container for all this, basically. Container. But it's probably because I use like so many temporary variables. When I see the p variable, I'll probably know what it is, but I don't know right now. I'll check it soon. This should be the I'll call it. It's a rect transform. It's a income punch rect. I don't know. And I can kill this and here. Okay. And now I need to assign it. So the thing that was happening there, there's like a twin that's going on when this is hidden, and when this shows up, the twin appears. And as you see, it didn't really work, but I almost like this better than the whole thing jumping. But and then I have the I need a second twin for the thing just to bounce, so I need like a second container in there. I think they kind of got me. Oh, okay, the background is here. This is so weird. Oh my god. Okay, so let's not do this that I did. It's a really bad idea. I put the background with the like parent object, and this is not good. So I will just move this here. Actually, can I just copy this, remove this? Base component for this? Okay. So yeah, this is better because now this is independent than the rest. And I can move this up and down without problems. But clearly 4 pixels is too much. Let's tone it down. see. I think I can see some. Yeah, this is the hard part for me from working in Unity. Sometimes the pixel consistency is like not good. Like because everything is floating point, I start to get like a bunch of rounding errors and everything looks weird. Okay, I think this is more subtle. Also, I wanna increase the interval a little bit. I think 1 second is too little, maybe even 2. And let's see. Okay, I'll not test this right now. I think it's good enough for now. In the final game, I'll probably have like a glowing effect or something like that. Alright, so the first patient. So I need to figure out now what happens if you manage to kill it. So I will do that. So tutorial reaction. I need to create this. It needs to be like this. So the reactions work like this. That's good, meh, bad, and dead. We'll do good, meh, and bad. Doesn't matter. You got it alive. It's fine. So good, meh, in bad. Can I do all of them in the single? I wish I could. You know what? I'll create one called alive, and I'll do this. Can I do in the same line? Please let me. It doesn't. Alright. Ink is really good, but still a little verbose sometimes for this kind of things. So, and there's like this one that's just dead. So if it's dead, I'll do like correction 1. What is this program that you use to tip notes? I'm not sure what you're asking. This one? This one is for writing the actual script, the actual text of the game and everything. It holds all the logic. It's called Inky, but I'm not sure if it's this one you're asking about. So if the patient is alive, something will happen and then it'll be like, what, another one? And then I'll do this. Oh yeah, no, this is not for taking notes. This is for like actually writing the whole like the actual text of the game. And so if the knife is another one, and then it'll be like to the second one. And if it's dead, it will be something like this. Is not right. I remember this one survived or something like that. This is by no means final text. I'm just like throwing like just the general flow. Oh, last kind of I think the last squish is it's an emoticon. They're printing there. I think you need to have like a Twitch extension or something. So yeah, this one, right, this one, I remember this one survived. Oh, I need to put this just to be safe. This N in the end of the line is just like a tag that I have to set the portrait. right, so okay, so let's do it. Let's cue the patient. Yeah, this ink thing is really good. I can even post on chat. It's this thing. It's on the chat now. It's very, very good. Yeah, it's ink from Inco Studios. So, yeah, so here's the patient. And bam, patient has died. Infected wound in the arm. And then she'll say, this is not right. Remember this one survived. And blah blah. And damn, how I do it. Now, if you actually do it. Let's see if this stops. It's still jumping? I canceled that. Fuck. Oh, I think I know what I didn't do. So yeah, but if that one survived, then I would have a second. I need to see this. I will need the second patient, which I'll do in a second. So yeah, this was annoying. Why this? Oh, because this has like no references. Maybe here should it work? Oh, let's see. Oh, also because I didn't. Yeah. I have no idea. Go Unity. Oh. Damn it. I think my Unity broke. Yeah, it works with Rio Unity pretty much with anything, to be honest. As far as I know, it's not that hard to write the parser, so you can do it like in C#. I used it in a project that was just pure C#, and it works. Kind of broke now the other thing. Okay, now I think this is. Every time I fix something, I can always break like 5. Here. Oh, it's not finding the. This is the image. Alright, let me save this. Hey there! Oh, thank you. I'm glad you like my tutorials. Right, now this is working, and if I click, it stops jumping, even if it's paused. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, that's the thing that I kinda not very sure. You on the chat can help me with this. Does this look like a thing that you would click? Like you start this, and this is jumping, and has this. Would you click it? I think I would. I want people to click it. Another thing that I need to make more obvious is like if you click here, it opens. If you click here, it shows the description. I need to make this. I'm thinking about maybe right clicking for description, left clicking for opening. Yeah. But the clock looks clickable, I think, right? No, not really, right? Yeah, this is like pause your surgery, yeah. Because the idea is like you can drag things, you see the game is paused, but when you release it, the actual. I think I can. I don't wanna. I don't wanna do this too much, but I think I will have like a message box showing up right now saying, "Hey, click on that to do that." I don't know. Maybe like a message saying, "Click here to open this." Oh, I know. I know. I think how. I know. I don't know. I was thinking maybe having an icon which is a magnifying glass or something like that, like an eye, and if you drag it and then this shows up, because you almost never wanna bring this up. If, the description comes with the tooltip, but oh, this is so wrong. Yeah, the description usually comes with the tooltip. Yeah, it's not updating properly, but doesn't show all the tags and everything. So it's a it's a hard problem to solve. Hmm. Tem como colocar como parte desse box usar a mesma linha de contorno. What do you mean, like this or the clock? Yeah, I can draw more attention to the clock, I think. When the surgery starts, I like that it kinda... I like this jumping effect. I think I'll change a little bit of the drawing itself. Yeah, Las Canis, most people do the tutorial last. I think I wanna do some of the tutorial first though, because I wanna understand how the UI is like working, how the UI is like working on, like for the player intuition, like how intuitive everything is and how the game flow, because it's such a different game in a sense that everything is UI. I kind of want to do like a little bit of the tutorial first. I think I'll start with like without the. I think I'll do it like without the message boxes for now and try to just trust that the player would understand. Yeah, this is a good idea. Like maybe having this integrated with the message box with the in surgery. Cause I just one thing that I really need right now is like a confirmation for ending the surgery. Like instead of like it's dead. I think I should create a little message box for. Are you sure you wanna finish the surgery? But let's do that another day. I think I just wanna do like a quick second patient. So, what another one? I remember this one. She. So, the first thing I wanna do is teaching that the thread and needle works. Second thing, I want to show how the hand works, that you can remove things from the body. So probably like splinters. So splinters, something like that. She was wounded. I removed the shrapnel. Shards. I don't know. I have to revise this later. Then I saturate the boots, whatever. And I think I want to do this. Like I keep remembering how she solves the patients. So that's why she's telling you. Você é bem, eu sou brasileiro, assim. Obrigado. If you put the clock in the right down corner, floating about all there. So yeah, this is a good idea. Maybe around here or right here. I think I will review that eventually. So much interesting, and I'll see whatever is possible. Well, thank you, Junior. So let me see patients. Let's create a second patient. Oops. Oh no, this is another one. Here, I can remove these two. I don't hate them. So the second patient, I'll just take a note here. Full of shrapnel shards. Teaching hands plus sewing. So the possible injuries, I need to create an injury for this. The first thing I need to do is create let me create a folder for this. I want to call like shrapnel, but oh, pieces for now, and now I'll have the shrapnel here. Where is it? Patient data, explorer, part data, here. Shrapnel. I need an icon for this. I don't have an icon for shrapnel yet. I won't draw it today. I'll just use this horrible flash here, maybe. Oh, this is the wrong side. I need the small one. I'll use the leech for now. So, shrapnel, a piece of shrapnel stuck inside a wound. Okay. And hidden until, no. Okay, so yeah, so there's a couple of problems here, but I think I'll manage to do this. So I'm gonna do. Let me copy this. No, actually, I'll duplicate this right here. Small one. Shrapnel wound. So this is like exactly like a small wound, but has a shrapnel inside. Yeah, but this is the problem. It can be sewed. You cannot sew this with the shrapnel inside, I think. Ideally, like if you try to sew a wound with a piece of stone inside, it wouldn't work. You could sew it with the stone inside, and stone would be inside, and the person would die. I think that's the thing that I want, probably. Well, let's try that. So let's make this fatal. And let's make her patient. Tutorial 2. So my second patient does not, it had like a shrapnel wound. How many? Let's put like 4. And I think 4 is too much. Let's do 3 and 1 normal wound. And the normal wound can be placed on the head or torso. I don't want the arms. And I don't want the shrapnel to be in the head, because that will be confusing. Alright, so let's do it. What kind is arrow in the knee? Yeah, something like that. So yeah, so let's see. First you do this. Oh, I forgot you. Oh, I'm glad I'm in the tutorial. Yay, okay, patient survived. What, another one? And everything broke. Why? Cannot find inventory 3, inventory 2. Oh, I didn't do the second inventory. And I didn't save this properly too. So for the second inventory, I want the person to have, the player should have exactly now 4 threaded needles. Oh, thank you, Black XM Ranger. Alright, so let's fix this. Okay, survived. Wounded, remove the shrapnel shots, and then do it. Okay, nice. And now you see this person completely. I need to reset the timer every time a new patient appears, and you see like it's full of wounds. But this time, if you click here, you can see there are shrapnel shards inside. 3 of them. So I need to make the shrapnel thing that you can get with your hands. Pedro, sugestão de não perder Pico Ace, ele usa lua. Andrade Geek, yes, Pico 8 uses lua, but I think I don't know any any tutorials or for anything for it, but I know there are many tutorials for it. Right, so yeah, so let me do this. So I need to make the thing can be removed, and when you pick up, you have to pick up an item. Can I? Yeah, maybe I can do like an effect when I remove this. I make the wound on the top something. Okay, for now I'll just make it as you pick up an item. Items, chemicals, other fabric pieces, tools. Do you happen to know any good tutorials or guides for color usage? I made a tutorial for color. It's on my Medium. I think Heidi can get it. Actually, I think I can get it. It's really easy for me to get that one specific. Yeah, found it. Here, I made a. I have there like a couple other references on color too, like other tutorials and other resources for it. You are God. No way. I'm not. But thank you. Oh no, don't worry, it didn't distract me. So I think I'll do the shrapnel is actually an item that you get in your inventory, the shrapnel that you get from your I was going to say victims, but patients. Let me just put like any random symbol here. So I wonder why. What's the difference, right? I wonder how you could use it. Maybe like to sharpen something. Maybe you can use the shrapnel with your knife and make it sharper, which would make it faster or something. I would just say piece of metal removed. Patient. Am I using period? You talk about last you mentioned about auto tiling. Did you do that outside of Ogimo as a post processing step? Yes, the auto tiler was worked on the engine itself. When the level is loaded, the level generator, let's say, like kind of generates the tiles positions and according to a table. So you only place the solid tiles, and then the auto tiler would place the correct tiles. So, oh no, it's not there. So Ogmo would be just look solid colored blocks. Yes, exactly like that. It looks as just a bunch of colors. No worries. And no items. Here, pieces. Okay, shrapnel. So now when you pick it up, we got shrapnel. Let's try. So I don't want to go through the story every time I do it, so I just put this here on my debug thing, tutorial/2. So now I can just jump straight to the patient. Bam. So okay, so the small wound is here, and you remove the shrapnel with your hand. And alright, it works. It never works on the first try. For me, like when I'm... oh yeah, something broke here. Huh. See that? Oh! It died? Damn it. Yeah, I think on my current system, this shrapnel thing is too strong. Kill the patient really fast. Have you ever used tile setter? Not really. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, I think it's an auto tiler thing. I think I use, if it's the thing I'm thinking it is, which you just draw one side, it kind of draws the whole thing. I tried just a little bit, and I think it's really useful if especially like for game gems and stuff like that. I appreciate how open you guys are about game development. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, I try to be as open as possible. I think it's good to have like I mean, there's nothing to hide. Everything is online. So yeah. I think I'll just do this last part now, and we'll stop for now. I'm getting a little tired. But let me see. I think I'll do... first thing, I think you can remove the shrapnel much faster than you can right now. It can be removed. Here. I think I'll do like a public float remove duration. Maybe a default to 1. And now this would be cool. I have choose the hand item effect and has method remove. Can I do part dot get? Oh, jeez. I cannot get the effect item. I'll try this. Can be removed. And this is a part effect. Okay, so I'll do this thing that gets the effect of a part. Let's see. Get method description, has method, here. Get effect. So I'll do like for each fact in effects. Okay, that was easy. If effect is T, return effect. Is it that easy? I think it is. I bet this is wrong in some weird way, but so the hand will check if the part that I'm trying to remove has the removable thing, and if, let's see, removable is not null, you remove the thing, and the timer is removable dot duration. What was the name? Oh, not part effect. This can be removed. Oh, I see. This is wrong. T where T extend. Can I do like where T extends part effect? Alright, this looks so wrong. Ah, Thaís! Beijo, Thaís! Saudade. Também tô com saudade. I watched Metano video on early prototype slides. The game looks so much nicer once you finalize Madeline. Thank you! I'm glad you like it. Alright, remove duration. I think this is going to work. Yeah, this will make everything so much easier because now I can have like this be removed on 2 seconds and something else like the plants that there's like some diseases in this game that are really weird, and I want them to be hard to remove, so they take a while. So okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to check like this. Okay, so the shrapnel here. Oh yeah, it's fast. Nice. So I think I can remove all these without killing the patient now. Whoa, this is a lot of blood. I can make that this patient had like more blood than normal also. I think I'll do that. The tutorial patients will be like, let me see. Survived. Okay, this is good. So I think that's what I'll do for today. I'll just make that this patient has more blood than usual. So maybe 22 instead of 11. So the person has a little more flexibility. Oh, what happened if I try to soothe this wound without removing the thing? I honestly am not sure. Oh yeah. And this is bad, but I wanna, like, if this is happening, I don't want to let the player to remove the thing after. So I think I'll do the soothe wound. I have no idea how to pronounce that word. Soothe? Yeah, I want this to hide others now. Yeah, I think I'll have to do this tomorrow, but I want to do it like... I don't think I know to even make this hide others inside. But thank you everyone for coming, and I think I will stop for today. And that's it. Thanks all. I will try. Probably next time I stream, I will stream more for about art. I think I can try programming a little bit more, but I think I'll focus more on art. Today was mostly just to show you all how I work on Unity and everything. And yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.